Hi everyone! In this video I will tell you about how to create some calculations between various indicators using calculations tools. In the constructor we can see here for these calculations the formula, receiver and operands, and here expressions for these formulas. Well, in this report, production volume, we would like to calculate volume indicator and product cost indicator. We can add formulas on the sheet for this report, but for instance, this report needs just two reading data, and we can calculate it using calculations. Okay, we have some indicators like consumption rate, volume, plant material price per unit, and production plan, and we can calculate product cost. Production plan we can see in this report. We can change the data here for production plan. This report for maintaining consumption rate for product. Here we can add new material and consumption rate. And this report, plant material price, to enter the data about the data for plant material price per unit. Okay. And let's create new calculation. Open Navigator, create calculation methods. Open constructor. Here we can set the name for our methods. Add formulas, set the name. Volume. And drag and drop indicator to receiver. Volume indicator is a receiver. It's an indicator which we would like to calculate. And operands, our data sources. Let's mark just months, for instance. All materials, products, and one indicator in indicator dictionary, volume. In the operands you can see the dictionaries which marked blue mark. It means that they have the same mark like in the receiver for these dictionaries. The same for indicator, we can mark one indicator, product plan. Okay, and let's add expression for this formula. Consumption rate multiple production plan indicator. Save, open constructor, and set up the next formula. We would like to calculate product cost indicator and set the name for this formula. Cost and operands. Volume indicator and plant material price indicator. Let's mark list months, all products, product cost indicator, and all materials. Calendar, materials, products, the same mark, but indicator doesn't. And for this indicator, plant material. Okay, done. And let's add expression. Plant material price indicator, multiple volume indicator. Okay, save. And now let's change the data in our resource indicators. For instance, for production plan and plant material price per unit to recalculate product cost and volume. Yeah. This report, we can change the production plan for Candice A in January and change plant material price for sugar in January 2. Save the data, and in the calculation, our new calculation methods, push execute button, update this report, and we can see that data was changed. Volume was changed and production costs also was changed. Okay, also in the calculation we can add parameters. For instance, we would like to choose the months for calculations. Let's drag and drop calendar, multiple mark, and set up default value, and filter this dictionary by parameters. In collection, parameter, identifier. Okay, done. And now we can see the parameter. We can choose the months and execute. Okay, this was about how to make calculations between some various indicators using calculation tools. Thank you for your attention.